Good evening everyone. As we all know that we all are in our home due to the spread of the coronavirus. So please be safe everyone. Eat healthy food and have sufficient amount of water. So during this period of time, I thought of teaching my students through online. So I am starting with some aptitude topics, and today's topic is counting number of squares. How many squares there are in any particular figure. For example, we have figure A, and in this figure we have to find out number of squares, and if we do it by the conventional method it will take a lot of time. So let's have the short trick and we will find out how many squares are there through the short trick method. So as everyone knows that these are called the columns and these are called the rows. So how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how many rows are there? 1, 2 and 3. So rows here and columns here. 3 rows and 4 columns. So we need to multiply the rows and the columns until or unless the 1 will come either in the row or in the column. So the minimum value should be 1 either in the row or in the column. So let's multiply it. 3 multiply 4, it's 12. Now decrease 1. Here it is 2 multiply 3, that is 6. Again 1 multiply 2, that is 2. So here 2 comes, so we will stop our multiplication and now we will add whatever we have multiplied. So 12 plus 6, 18 and 2, it's 20. So total 20 squares are there in this particular figure. So this is one of the method of finding how many squares are there in a figure. Here in the B figure, as we can see that how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns and 3 rows and 4 rows. So we will find out in the similar manner to find the number of squares by rows multiplication columns. So rows are 4 and columns are 5. So this is 20. Again we will subtract 1 from the rows and the columns. Here it is 3 multiply 4, that is 12. Again subtract 1. 2 multiply 3, that is 6. Again subtract 1. 1 multiply 2, that is 2. Now the total will be 20 plus 12, 32. 32 plus 6, 38 and 2, 40. So minimum 1 should become either in the rows or in the columns. So total squares are 40 squares in this figure. So I request all of you, all the students, to solve some of the questions like this, and we will get back to you soon with some another interesting topic. Thank you.